In this video, we'll look at how to add widgets to your iPhone's home screen. We'll look at how to add individual widgets with varying sizes, and how to create a widget stack that allows you to scroll through multiple widgets without taking up too much of your iPhone's screen space. To get started, let's browse and add a couple of widgets. On your home screen, press and hold anywhere in blank space until the edit options appear. Next, tap the plus sign on the top left of your screen. Here you'll then see a list of all the available widgets for you to add. You can search for specific ones using the search bar at the top, or you can scroll through the list to browse. At the top, you'll see the most common apps that you use and an example of how they can appear. The very first widget is a smart stack. We'll look at that next though. For now, scroll down, and when you find a widget that you want to add, select it. You can then scroll side to side to choose the different layouts available for that widget. When you find the one that you want to add, tap Add Widget at the bottom. It will then place it on your home screen, and you can move it around to where you'd like it to be. When you're ready, tap Done on the top right and it'll be placed. If you'd like to edit the home screen layout or add more widgets, just press and hold on the widget and then tap Edit Home Screen. Again, tap the plus sign on the top left. You can then go through and find another widget that you want to add. Next, we'll create a smart stack. A smart stack stacks same-sized widgets on top of each other and allows you to scroll through them. It also defaults with the Smart Rotate option enabled, which automatically scrolls through the widgets on its own throughout the day. You can add the default one here at the top that Apple creates for you, but let's build our own. To do this, go to Add a Widget and select the same size as the one that you have up already. Now here at the Edit Home Screen page, select and drag one of the widgets on top of the other and then release. It will then automatically create a smart stack. Tap Done on the top and then you can scroll through the stack that you just created. You can edit the stack in the future if you'd like, say to add or delete widgets, reorder, or disable the smart rotation by pressing and holding on the widget stack and then selecting Edit Stack from the pop-up. To add a widget, just press the plus sign on the top, find the widget you'd like to add, and then select Add Widget. If you want to remove one, just tap the minus sign on the top left of the widget and then remove to confirm. To reorder the stack, just drag the widgets in the order that you'd like. And to turn off the smart rotation option, just tap Smart Rotate on the bottom to turn it on or off. When you're finished, tap Done on the top right. And finally, to delete a widget from your home screen, just press and hold on it, press Remove, and then again to confirm. And that's how you can customize your iPhone's home screen with widgets and smart stacks.